Sarah. So this is the grave belong to the baby who died before getting teeth. And there are four ways of carrying it out. The first is the baby is buried with a placenta. Yeah. When the baby born, the baby before cutting the placenta, so the baby is washed and then wrap it and then put it into there. And even though after cutting the placenta, but before getting teeth. But when the baby get teeth, not allowed to bury it there anymore. Yeah, because when they say when the baby has a teeth, it means that it has a sin still. But so that's why this is the holy grave for the baby who still who pass away before getting teeth. And the second is the baby is buried with chicken egg. Chicken egg has a white color. So the reason for the people to put to bury the baby into the living tree here with chicken egg, because chicken egg has a white color. So white color always has relation with the holiness. Means the baby is still holy from sin. Yeah. And the third is while the baby is being carried from the house to this place, pig troughs are bidden. Pig troughs is a kind of box used to feed the pig. When they want to feed the pig, they need maybe for human, for us maybe we use a plate for eating. But for the animal, for the pig, there's a special box, we call it pig troughs. So what is the reason for the people to be the pig troughs from the house to this place? The reason is because the family of the dead baby is a poor family. They don't have any breeding of a pig or even buffaloes. But the main aim of beating the pig troughs from the house to this place means hoping that someday or next time they can also have a breeding of pigs or even buffaloes. Yeah. And in the evening, one pig is sacrificed by only using torchlight. Torchlight made of bamboo, and put oil and clothes inside and use it as a light around here when they kill one pig here. So one pig is sacrificed. When we say that this is a poor family, so where does the one pig come from? One pig comes from all the people who come to bury the baby here. Maybe they collect money and buy one pig, and then they sacrifice it around here. So that's why they still have one pig, only one pig. The difference between yesterday's ceremony is yesterday's ceremony was they sacrifice a lot of buffaloes or pigs. So not all of the buffaloes and pigs come from the family.